You must love your father. You must hormat your father. You jangan kurang hajar your father. I always remind them. If you kurang hajar your father, I takut you dapat suami macam selama 7 tahun. Ada you nampak anak I kurang hajar dengan lelaki I. Selama 7 tahun anak I boleh merangkul mak dia, bapak dia. Ayah cakap dengan anak I, your father loves you. You got to accept your takdir. Your takdir is like this. Don't compare yourself with other girls. Why they don't got a daddy? I don't have a daddy. Sampai anak I pernah suruh I kahwin lagi. Kahwin dengan siapa-siapa je yang dia jumpa. Dengan staff I pun suruh kahwin. Dengan pekerja I. Kenapa mama tak nak kahwin dengan dia? Jadi kau okay ke? Why you want daddy so much? I say. We don't need daddy. So what? I want daddy. Daddy in America. But so anyway, I selalu cakap dengan anak I. It's okay, accept your takdir, mami and daddy cerai. Jangan minta mami. Sebab dalam kehidupan, kita tidak dipaksa oleh Tuhan untuk bersama dengan pasangan yang toksik. For me, he's toxic. But for you, he's your father. You must love your father, you must hormat your father, you jangan kurang hajar your father. I always remind them. If you kurang hajar your father, I takut you dapat suami macam I kata, but do not have that, I said. Always forgive your father, doakan your father dapat hidayah, that's all.